Often beginners believe that having the latest, most expensive gear immediately leads to professional level results. Starting out as a creative can be exciting, but it often comes with tough decisions. One of the most common questions beginners face is, should I invest in gear or education? You might find yourself scrolling through reviews of expensive cameras or browsing through online courses, feeling unsure about where your limited resources should go first. It's normal. Almost every creative has been there. Today, I'll guide you step by step through this decision-making process. Let's dive deeper into how you can balance gear and education effectively from the start. When starting something new, especially in creative fields like photography, filmmaking, music, or design, we think that investing heavily upfront is the best way to go. Often beginners believe that having the latest, most expensive gear immediately leads to professional level results. Others think that spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on online courses or mentorship programs can be the golden ticket to instant mastery. Excessive spending on equipment or education rarely leads to sustainable success. Instead, your aim should be to make targeted strategic investments that yield the highest return on your money and on your effort. You'll want to establish a clear roadmap that helps you identify the gear that you genuinely need, enables you to leverage affordable or even free educational resources effectively, allows you to grow skills progressively, ensuring each investment builds logically upon the last. Balancing your investments gives you breathing room to grow your skills without stressing over finances. You can progressively upgrade your gear and education based on real actionable feedback from your experiences and insights. Let's look at a relatable example. Someone just beginning their journey into photography. Our beginner, Alex, has a limited budget. He struggles to choose between an expensive new camera or a professional photography course. Alex believes that having the latest, most expensive gear can significantly boost your photo quality. Yet the allure of a structured course promising quick mastery and skills can also seem compelling. Instead of impulsively buying either option, Alex decides to take a step back and assess realistically. What gear does Alex truly need to learn photography basics? Are expensive cameras necessary at this early stage? Are premium courses genuinely more effective than free or low-cost alternatives? Alex realizes a basic, affordable DSLR could sufficiently cover the foundational needs while learning about composition, lighting, and basic editing. Alex also discovers that YouTube provides a vast amount of beginner-friendly, high-quality content that covers essential topics without any cost. With this balanced approach, Alex can practice and develop his skills without overspending. Understanding you don't need top-tier gear initially and realizing you can learn effectively through free resources allows you to channel limited resources more strategically. By carefully managing your initial investments, you prevent wasteful spending on unnecessary gear, gain invaluable clarity about your true creative and educational needs, preserve financial flexibility, allowing thoughtful, targeted upgrades later, develop stronger foundational skills, enhancing the effectiveness of future investments. Ultimately, this balanced approach guarantees sustainable growth. It reduces frustration and positions you to make more informed choices in the future, confidently knowing your investments genuinely enhance your creative skills and output. Here's a practical framework you can immediately apply to find your gear education balance. Assess your current level clearly. Identify your actual skill level and define your creative goals. Understand what's realistically needed to achieve these goals. Research before buying gear. Start by exploring budget-friendly options. Entry-level gear or reliable used equipment. Check multiple reviews and forums for honest opinions on necessary gear versus nice-to-have features. Leverage free education first. Dive into platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Skillshare, or Udemy's free courses. Engage with free content creators known for practical, beginner-focused education. Engage in communities and forums. Make informed, strategic investments. Only after identifying genuine skill gaps or equipment limitations should you invest further. Prioritize investments in targeted education or gear that clearly solves identified problems or significantly enhances your abilities. Investing carefully from the beginning helps you avoid costly mistakes and empowers your creative growth. Remember, expensive gear alone won't make you skilled, and high-priced courses aren't always necessary. The right blend of affordable gear and accessible education provides the foundation for sustainable, successful creative journeys. I hope this guide helps you to make a choice between gear and education. Share your experiences or ask any questions you may have. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.